Okay, guys, so I wanted to take some time to go over some questions that might be familiar and kind of summarize everything that will be on your quiz tomorrow. So there's just 3 quick questions. So let's take a look at number 1. Now, while the instruction says write each square root problem as its decimal, I technically don't need to do that. If you take a look here, this is the square root minus 2, okay? Then this is 4 minus the entire square root value. I know that this square root is somewhere between 2 and 3, okay? So that means it's going to be 2 point something. Now, if I have 2 point, and you can approximate it, if you have 2.8 minus 2 versus 4 minus 2.8, it should be clear to you which is actually the greater value. It would be this one, okay? I don't need to get down and do all the steps we've been doing because I'm just approximating here, and I'm giving a rough estimate. Let's go take a look. I'm going to switch colors here. Let's take a look at this next one. It says the number of weeks that it would take for a population of insects to multiply is found by the equation below. So what I have here is I have 8 to some power, I don't know what, gives me 64. So I have to think, when I have a base, this is going to be 8 times either 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, it depends how many 8s there are. This example is 8 to the 4th. Well, I know right away that's too many, okay? If I take away an 8, okay, I now have 8 to the 3rd. Well, 8 times 8 is 64. That's too many. Well, look what we just did. We figured it out. How many 8s did it take me? Okay, it took me 2 to get to 64. Therefore, my answer is 2. I'm trying to come up with what exponent will give me this number. One more example. It says evaluate and compare. Well, I need to treat this expression as a single one. So first, I take the square root of 64 and get 8. Okay, I would add 2 to that, and I get 10. So this side is 10. Here, I'm going to put 4. But now I have to take the cube root of 8. Remember, it's something times itself 3 times. That value is 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. I'm having to choose between these symbols. Obviously, the one that is greater is the 10, so I would choose this. So now keep in mind, guys, that you have videos, okay, and I want you to go study all your notes and organize them. Add to your notes. You can add these problems to your notes. You have a quiz tomorrow, and it's all on these concepts that we've covered. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.